Welcome to Color and Learn. Hi, kids. Welcome to another fun learning adventure. Today, we're going to explore the letter E and have some colorful fun. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Here it is, the letter E. Isn't it exciting? It's the fifth letter of the alphabet and looks like a big happy 3 with a little extra line. Now, can you say E? Today, we're going to color our letter E with a bright, cheerful red. Red is the color of apples, strawberries, and fire trucks. So go get your marker or crayon and let's color it together. Look at that! Our letter E is now a vibrant red. Great job! Now, let's meet our special friend. Yeah, the elephant. Elephants are amazing animals with big ears, long trunks, and they're so much fun to learn about. Today, we're going to color our elephant with a cool blue color. Blue is the color of the sky and the ocean. Ready to get started? Wow, look at that! Our elephant is now a lovely blue color. Doesn't it look fantastic? So let's review what we've learned today. We colored our letter E red and our elephant blue. The letter E is for elephant, and our elephant is now all dressed up in blue. Thanks for coloring and learning with me. See you next time for more fun and learning. Bye-bye. We've got so many more adventures lined up just for you, so stay tuned and be ready for our next exciting episode. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a big thumbs up. That way, you'll never miss out on our fun and fantastic new videos. Thanks for being such awesome viewers. See you next time for more learning and fun. Until then, keep smiling and keep exploring.